olive oil. At saka hindi ka matatakot kung ano mangyari sa mukha mo kasi ano. Alam mo. Sobrahan. Super pigmented siya, hindi na siya natatanggal. Oh God. Hala. Ang pala. Hala. Ay, natatanggal.
Hi mga bebe! So for today's episode, good morning sa inyong lahat. I'm gonna do a DIY lip tint na yung lip tint na super pigmented. I'm not going to use a water-based lip tint. So what we're gonna use is oil, this one, olive oil, our main ingredients, and of course vaseline. And then I have here the lip balm. I get this one from. I have also a lip miracle lip treatment. I'm gonna use this one as well to mix it. So this lip tint gonna be good for treatment as well, lip tint and treatment as well. And then I'm gonna put also lip balm para smooth yung lips natin. So, let's move on to the topic, the procedure of DIY lip tint. Alright, let's go! So, here we go. We're gonna start. First, we're gonna put, anyway, I have here, I'm gonna use the red one, red food color, and then strawberry as our scent, strawberry scent. So I don't have alovera gel here since I cannot go out, so we're gonna use vaseline and then lip balm. There we go. Put this one, a food color. Let's just make a simple one. Tingnan niyo yung color niya. Yung color niya. Ate! Wait na. I'm doing vlog, right? Are you already finished? I'm going to edit it later, okay? And then, ate! Okay? Sige na, please. Para nice ang ni mamang. I already show your teeth, right? So, let's put small amounts of olive oil. Anyway, you can also use any kind of... You can use any kinds of oil. Pero wag yung BB oil. But for me, I use this olive oil because olive oil is really good for a healing our chapped lips, dry lips, saggy lips. So let's try this one. So I don't know.
Lipstick.
So I'm gonna use applicator to lipstick. So now let's get some amount of, kakamayin ko na lang because this one is just only a sample to everyone. Mix it very well para hindi walang magbubukol-bukol sa ating lip tint. Mix nyo ng maayos. Yan. This one, I use olive oil or oil-based lip tint para yung lip tint natin is super pigmented siya. Kasi pag water-based siya, nawawala agad yung lip tint natin sa ating lips. So pag oil-based siya, so it is super pigmented siya.
Let's put
Some Human Nature Miracle Lip Tint. So kung wala naman kayong ganito, you can skip on this one. Pwede nyo ding, what do you call this one? Pwede ding Vaseline lang. This one, nilagay ko na lahat para yung lip tint natin is all in one. Ando na lahat, hindi nagcha-choppy, hindi nagsasaging yung lips natin, hindi siya nag-peel off. So, let's just mix it. And then next natin is lip balm.
Ouch! Wait.
So just put some amount to mix. Jesus. Strawberry. Yan, yung scent natin. My God, you will love it. Yung amoy pa lang, parang kakainin mo na. Small, a little bit drop. Mix again. May strawberry. Ang sarap kainin. At least ito, di ba? Alam natin na safe yung ginagamit natin. Alam natin na organic yung ginagamit natin. Alam natin na hindi siya over yung chemical na ginilalagay. Kasi tayo yung gumagawa. Ate, quiet in our lips.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 내 맘을 고백하려
Tingnan nyo, shiny. Ate!
Yes.
What are you doing? Oh my God! Come here, show it to them. Para siyang orange. Tingnan nyo. Diba? Nag-try siya. Right? Para siyang orange. Show your lips. Ah, okay. Ang ganda. I love these shades.
Mama.
Look at.
Mama, you got mommy have red too.
Huh?
Mama have red.
Red na may orange siya. I love the
Mama.
shade because I love
Mama.
it so much. Wow.
Mermaid have orange too.
So, let's try
And
to
red
wipe.
too.
Ah, meron siya, pero hindi siya natanggal. Again. Meron pa din. Wow. Diba? Super pigmented.
That's nasty.
This is mine now, mine.
Wow. I love this. Ito nang gagamitin kong lip tint for now. Let's try this one to our cheek. May kadambong niya, babe. Diba? Ganyan. Ganda. I like it. Tapos nag-shiny yung cheek mo kasi nga meron siyang olive oil. At saka hindi ka matatakot kung ano mangyari sa mukha mo kasi ano.
I make it like try.
Alam mo. Hala. Sobrahan. Na super pigmented siya. Hindi na siya natatanggal. Oh my God. Hala. Ang pula. Hala. Ay, natatanggal. So, wow. Look at naman.
Mommy.
Wow. Oh, wow. I'm amazed. I'm really amazed. I'm really amazed with this one. So, kung gusto nyo, kayo nagagawa mismo ng inyong DIY lip tint, follow nyo lang yung procedure ko. If ever na wala kayong lip balm, wala kayong miracle nito, sunflower lip miracle na galing siya sa Human Nature. Kung wala kayo nun, okay lang. Nagagamitin nyo is only vaseline and only olive oil and then yung food color and yung scent. Kayo napipili yung scent. Mayroong iba-ibang scent. And tapos may vanilla din. Maraming scent, makakapili kayo. Tapos mix nyo lang yun, mix nyo lang. Kung gusto nyo naman ng matte, gamitin nyo yung water. Pero yung water base kasi, mga bebe, hindi siya yung lip tint na nagtatagal talaga sa ating lips. Kahit anong gawin natin dito. Katulad nitong si olive oil, yung oil base siya. Nagstay siya, super stay siya. Look at my lips.
Ito.
Pag yun yung water base yung gagamitin natin, agad natatanggal siya kahit pahiran natin siya. Pahiran natin. Look at. At saka, ang bango. Nagsasama yung amoy niya ng olive oil at saka yung strawberry. Oh my God, I love this lip tint, this shade. I love this so much kasi ito yung hinahanap ko na shade. Yung parang natural lips lang siya, natural glow lang siya ng ating lips. Diba? Ang ganda. Kanina nakikita nyo naman na wala akong nilagay na lip tint sa aking lips. I even don't put, what is that, vaseline. Yung nilagay ko lang kanina dun sa bathroom is olive oil. Nagpahid ako ng olive oil. Tapos naghilamos ako ng olive oil. Yun lang. That's it. At ang ganda na ng result niya. Diba? Hindi nag-chop yung lips ko. At hindi dry. Kasi I already tried another lip tint, yung tag 65 pesos na water base siya. Choppy yung lips ko. Nagka-crack siya. Tapos dry. Saggy siya. So, I really wanted to make a DIY lip tint na akin, na ginawa ko, na ako mismo, na alam ko na hindi siya nakakatakot gamitin kasi alam ko yung mga nilagay kong mga ingredients. So, that's all. This one is like 4-in-1 lip tint na siya. Meron siyang treatment, meron siyang smoothness because we use olive oil, at saka meron tayong vaseline which is good for treating choppy lips as well. So that's all for today. If you like this video, share it to your friends, click like, and then don't forget to subscribe. Click the button below. Click the bell button below para updated kayo sa aking mga videos. More beauty tips upcoming! So, thank you mga babies for taking time to watch my video. Bye!